She's back. Those are the words being used to describe two-time Olympic 100-meter champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce following her performance on Saturday night at the JN Racers Grand Prix inside the National Stadium.
Two-time Olympic 100-meter champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce delivered her second win in 3 races since her comeback from the birth of her child, as she posted a season's best 11.10 seconds to win the women's 100 meters at the JN Racers Grand Prix on Saturday night. Fraser-Pryce beat the fast-finishing American Jenna Prandini, who clocked 11.14, and the Jamaican 16-year-old fast-rising star, USA-based Brianna Williams, 11.26.
I'm just really excited to be here. I thank the racers organizers for having me. And of course, I would like to say a big thank you to the crowd for your support. I think that was the extra energy at the line, so thank you guys so much. And yeah, for me, it's just about a race at a time and trying to execute the phases of the 100. Still some way to go, but I'm really excited about the time and excited about the progress.
In the men's equivalent, Racers Track Club Great Britain athlete Darnell Hughes brought the meet to a close with a world-leading 9.91 seconds win in the men's 100 meters. Hughes, who was dipping below 10 seconds for the first time legally in his career, finished ahead of American Noah Lyles, who also did a personal best 9.93, with Jamaican Johan Blake third in 10 seconds flat.
It was really good. I just want to give God thanks first and my team that's been behind me. I mean, I came out here tonight to execute a great race. My mom is here in the stadium, so every time she's around, I tend to run really quickly. So this one was dedicated to her and the rest of my team. I'm really happy with the wall leading.
Meanwhile, Jamaica's Shanika Ricketts secured one of 2 meet records on the night to defend the women's triple jump. Ricketts, the 2018 Commonwealth Games silver medalist, won with an effort of 14.39 meters to erase the previous meet record of 14.31 meters she set last year. The other went to Grenadian Kirani James in the men's 400 meters. James came home in 44.35 to beat the previous meet record of 44.37 set in 2016 by Trinidadian Michelle Cedeno. American Fred Curley was second in 44.36, while Braylon Taplin ended third in 45.11. Javon Francis and Demish Gay finished 5th and 6th respectively. The women's 400 meters was won by Stephanie and McPherson in 50.98, with Commonwealth silver medalist Anastasia Leroy second and Kristen Gordon third. Leah Nugent upset the much-fancied Commonwealth winner Geneve Russell in the women's 400-meter hurdles as she stopped the clock in 54.67 seconds. Russell took second in 54.89, while Rhonda White was third in 55.23. Other Jamaican winners on the night were Hansel Parchment in the men's 110-meter hurdles, Daniel Thomas Dodd in the women's shot put, and Nigel Ellis, who did a personal best 20.36 to take the 200 meters. Elsewhere, Commonwealth Games bronze medalist Natoya Gould was second in the women's 800 meters in 2 minutes 00.66. Shoshana McGowan, TVJ Sports.